users and roles. So we will see how to create user and roles. From here you can create roles for your employees like captains, manager, accounts. For now we will create role of accounts. Click on new, add role name, for example account. From here you can select section you want to give access to this particular role. After selecting access as per your convenience, for example if you want to give access of dashboard to this role, you can select dashboard. If you want to give access to categories, you can select all. If you want to give access of reports to this account role, you can select all. And from here also you can select roles. For example, you want to give access of daily summary access, you can click on. You want to give dashboard access, you can select that. If you want to give access discount, you can select on. And after selecting each and access as per your convenience, you can click on save and the role is created. And now we will see how to create user. Click on new, add your employee email address, name of your employee, role name is account, password you can add, mobile number of your employee. And from user access setup you can give access of merchant app, pause, payment details to be changed, discount access in pause, change price in pause, allow login in KDS. So you can give tick on this and the access will be granted. Other details, you have to select store. For a particular store you want to give access, for example agent jacks, and click on save and the user is saved and created.